Any more questions?
Lady, the performance that we're going to see from you is obviously coming due to the efforts of Mr. Manish Sharma.
Yes.
Very briefly, what do you think is the strong point as a director that has helped you to bring out the performance?
Sorry, strong point of what?
As a director, that has helped you to get the performance out of you.
There are way too many things to say about Manish Sharma. Honestly, as a director, I don't think time will be enough. But for me, as Reina, my journey from Vipanika to becoming Reina was a tough one because she's very different from how I am, and that is only thanks to Manish Sharma. The way he pushed me into giving my best, the way he helped us conduct our workshops, help all of us bond, helped me become this strong, stoic woman who is completely opposite of who actually I am in real life. And anybody, any of my close friends or anyone, these girls know me really well now, they'll all tell you. And yes, it was a long journey and it wouldn't have been possible without Manish Sharma. His strong point, I think strongest point being, he is not an easy to please director. He will not say okay till it is really okay. He will never be okay with a shot which is just, okay, you know what, it's okay, it's nice. Never.
I think what also helps is Manish himself is a superb actor. He's a superb actor. So he can very easily become the character and explain the scene to you. So then, if I might say so, it's pretty easy to do it after that. And like she said, he will not say okay. So when he says okay, you know you've done a fairly okay job.
So when we were shooting, sometimes he used to become Dimple, and sometimes Reina, sometimes she, sometimes he would become anybody, and he would do the scene. See? ऐसे कर.
So very rarely does he impart the kind of praise that you would like to hear to boost your confidence as an actor. So Anushka and I used to play this game ever since Band Baja we've been playing. वाले schedule में तुझे कितने superb मिले थे?
Oh yes.
Sometimes, just sometimes, on the mic, when that movie magic happens, Manish sir will explode from the monitor. Superb! And
I'm scared. When that happens, I'm like,
but
even when that happens, I'm thinking, yeah, he actually, is he really happy? Because that super will last for a second. Super! Moving on. That's it. And then there's aggression on his face. You feel like, yeah, this is very misleading. You don't say
And okay, take. Okay, take. Let's take.
Anushka has got the maximum number of superbs!
That we are all pretty sure of this.
I've got the list.
Yeah.
Very good, Varun.
हाँ, very good. लेकिन एक और कर दिया. One more take.
Yeah, Purdy.
Sorry. Yes.
Has your marketing lessons helped you to understand cinema, or it's gone in vain?
Nothing. I didn't know anything when I went on set. I think marketing, frankly, sorry, it didn't really help me in acting. Sorry. But I'll tell you what, my...
Rafiq sir is the new casting director in Yashwant.
I think this is the last time I'm going to be seeing you guys. Rafiq is never going to bring me out again. No, I must answer this question because everybody asks me that. My transition from marketing to acting. I'll tell you what, my background has been one where I never used to watch many films. I was a very good student, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करती थी. I went to England to study. पता नहीं कितना पढ़ के मैं आई वापस. So my only experience in films was while I was working here. I didn't even know what was the difference between a shot and a take. It was that bad. I didn't know anything. I didn't know what a frame was. So the knowledge that I got was here, but then everything I think I did was on set only. Whatever Manish made me do, and like these guys said, purely reacting, there was nothing to do. But I think today this will help. Marketing, I know everybody.
Like you mentioned, background. You have a background as Priyanka Chopra, your cousin.
Yes.
So how much? What's her reaction about this? And has she helped you?
I think everybody reacted the way everybody reacted. Everybody said, "हमें तो पहले से ही पता था, तू तो है ही not." So my sister has said the same thing, but she always, I mean, she's the first person I call. every time I have to make a decision. Because the rest of the family, obviously, we are oblivious to filmmaking, we don't know anything. So she's the first person I call. She's the only one who gives me advice because she's already gone through the exact same things. And she's very excited. In fact, she's going to be watching the film when I watch it very soon.
So how much she has helped you?
She has helped me on the phone, bus. Nothing else.
You're going to ask some really teeda question because वो पहले से
She does not ask that
Yes, but please have me forced to ask this question, right? Okay, what about your weight loss? Yeah, I know you for 3 years
Oh
now.
my god, I गई पार. अच्छा, best thing was रिकी वेल की most satisfying चीज was मनीष ने कहा please weight मत lose करियो. जैसी तू है ना वैसी ही है. Because Dimple is the character is of a girl who joins the gym where she meets Ranveer, who is her gym trainer. So it was great that I was overweight because I had no preparation time. So I was there and then. In fact, when I finished the film, the next day I have started working out a little and thoda sa weight loss हुआ
थोड़ा बहुत हो गया यार.
थोड़ा सा
काम करते करते भी हो गया थोड़ा.
जी.
आपकी वैसे भी काफी कैसी लोगा इमेज है और जब आप लेडीज को रिकी बहन कर रहे हैं तो आपकी इमेज को ज्यादा इनहैंस करना है आपकी गलती है
Question of the day.
That's it. I'm only going to call you Ranveer.
Really shy. Why are you looking shy?
हाजिर जवाब रणवीर देखिए कैसे स्टम्प हो गए.
देखिए ये जो
बेचारे को ऐसे बेमतलब में बदनाम किया.
रिकी बहल जो है ये एक पेशेवर पाखंडी है. He is not a Casanova, he is not a heartbreaker. ये he has a natural skill of charming the ladies. तो ये सोचता है मैं अपना natural skill क्यों ना इस्तेमाल करके इनसे पैसे लूट लूं. तो his prerogative is not to break hearts or to be a Casanova, but पैसा उसका main focus है. तो वो अपने मतलब इमोशंस के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं करता जैसे जैसे ही आप फिल्म देखें अच्छी रिव्यू लिखना.
That's all it took. That's what you should have done in the film. वो वही flattered.
जैसे इस फिल्म में रणवीर का एक टैलेंट सामने आया है कि वो एक बहुत अच्छे लिखते भी हैं, लिरिक्स भी अच्छे लिखते हैं. आप लोगों के बीच में कोई ऐसा कोई टैलेंट इस फिल्म को शूटिंग करते वक्त आपको निखर के आया आपका सामने?
हाँ, मुझे पता चला दीपांकर बहुत अच्छी सिंगर है.
मुझे पता चला ये दोनों बहुत अच्छी सिंगर हैं.
मुझे पता चला आप तीनों बहुत अच्छी सिंगर हैं.
But it is a very good thing. We used to do Antakshari whenever we
Ladies and
were.
gentlemen, presenting the Yash Raj Film Squire.
You know, on set हमेशा जब शॉट के बीच में आप वेट कर रहे होते तो यूजुअली लोग अपने अपने आईपॉड लगा लेते हैं, लेकिन इस सेट पे इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी क्योंकि या तो ये रैप करना होता था या ये दोनों गाने गा रहे होते थे.
वीडियो चालू रहता था हमारा.
तो मैं आईपॉड की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी.
अच्छा, आप दोनों के गाने पे रैप हो जाए, आप दोनों के गाने पे इनका डांस हो जाए.
अरे गाने पे कौन सा गाना है?
कि आओ गाओ लेकिन भी डांस टू दैट.
चलो चलो हम आलाप करते हैं.
आज तू बड़ी तैयार है. रोज मुझे डांटती रहती है यार तू जहाँ जाता है फैल जाता है, फिर मुझे भी तेरे साथ फैलना पड़ता है. तू क्यों करता है ऐसा? हाँ? चलाना मुझे क्या है?
He's ready.
आगे सीरियसली नहीं आना.
Yes. मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी.
अच्छा ओह सॉरी.
What dance? No, but we have to sing a cheesy song. No, cheesy song we have to sing.
Who wants to do?
No, do now. I want to sing Okay, sing
Running across the field.
Okay. दीपांता आलाप से बिगिन करके फिर हम गाना गाएंगे। 1, 2, 3। हमको हमी से चुरा लो।
रोमांस इतना ही लंबा लास्ट कर सकते हैं, सॉरी।
Any other question?
Okay, few of you ladies, how do you see your Bollywood career after working with Yash Raj?
यार वो तो आपको बताना चाहिए। आप हमें बताओ।
Let me say, very, very, very bright. I'm speaking for both of us. They are the surprise package of the film. You will come back shocked, impressed, and then love with their characters. And then.
Reaction from you.
That is really lovely. Thank you so much, Anushka.
ये लोग ऐसी हमारी तारीफ करे जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, भी प्लीज पिक्चर देखिए, प्लीज।
ये जो जेंटलमैन है, इन्होंने कुछ 25 रोल किए हैं इस फिल्म में, and he's outstanding in each and every one of them. She तो anyway is the most out of all 5 of us. She used to get Manish, like Manish would come and say, वो अनुष्का वो हाँ got it, take. Literally, I'm not exaggerating. She is one of the smartest actress. She gets it like that and she delivers like that.
And her look is so different in this film, no? In this film, she looks super hot in an avatar you've never seen her before in. So that is something that I think everyone's looking forward to. I am, for sure.
जी सर, I always am overcritical of myself. So I hate my own performance in the film. As much as I love Anushka's performances, I never tell her.
It's the worst guy. Now after hearing them, I'm feeling high. कुछ तो ठीक है।
I don't want it to go to your head, Anushka.
Come sit with us.
I'm going to lie on the lap now.
But really, today is about the ladies of Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, and I have to say each one of them, on their own and together, are absolutely electric on the screen. I cannot tell you enough. I don't want to tell you because yes, they will, and I most definitely believe this from the bottom of my heart, will be the surprise package of the year. They are terrific in the film. Ladies and gentlemen, the ladies of Ladies vs. Ricky Bell.
अनुष्का, this way. मेरा सवाल अनुष्का, परिणीति, दीपानिता और अदिति चारों से है। मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप चारों की जिंदगी में रियल लाइफ में कोई रिकी बहल आया है? कौन है? कैसे हैंडल किया? शुरुआत करते हैं अनुष्का से।
क्योंकि मैं इस कैरेक्टर में घुस गई थी और अभी तक घुसी हुई थी, तो मैंने तोड़ ढूंढ लिए रिकी बेल जैसे कैरेक्टर्स के लिए। एंड रिकी बेल मैंने अपने अराउंड एक लक्ष्मण रेखा बना दी रिकी बेल जैसे कैरेक्टर्स के लिए, और इसीलिए मैंने इस फिल्म को भी किया है जिससे मैं रिकी बेल जैसे लड़कों से बच पाऊँ।
किस तरह की?
जी नहीं, प्लीज रिकी बेल,
प्लीज एक्सप्रेशन 1 सेकंड।
तो जी मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। लकी तू बता, तेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
अनुष्का, किस तरह की लक्ष्मण रेखा आप ये भी बता दीजिए प्लीज।
मैडम दिखती है आपको?
नहीं दिख रही मुझे, आप अपने शब्दों में बयान करें।
लेकिन मैं तो यहाँ हूँ।
ये भी लाउड है, कैरेक्टर है ना, तो इनमें क्या?
नहीं, सीरियस नोट पे
नहीं, आई एम टू स्मार्ट टू बी कॉन्ड बाय अ मैन।
बट ट्रू, हम लोग भी स्मार्ट हैं।
परिणीति, आप बताइए।
नहीं, एक्चुअली frankly nobody is ever caught.
बट फिर भी हैंडल कैसे करें अपने अपने तरीके से?
हैंडल कैसे, ये बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है।
इसीलिए पूछा है। बोल डिम्पल, बोल। एक्चुअली जैसा हमने इस फिल्म में किया ना, हो सकता है वैसे ही कर ले।
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत रोई, तो शायद वो ही।
वैसे हमने इस फिल्म में आगे किया ना,
ये रो के दूर रखेंगे लड़कों को।
मैं आई थिंक अगर मैं अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में कहूँ कौन हुआ है मेरा, जिंदगी में ऐसा कौन, मतलब मेरे साथ मैं ना कभी अलाउ करती ना करूँगी, ये तो नामुमकिन बात है। मैं बहुत गुस्से से रिएक्ट करूँगी अगर कभी हुआ तो। So I don't think there's a chance of anyone conning me in real life. No, I don't think so. This was my biggest con.
Say.
Now guess.
Aditi, Saira शर्माएगी।
आदित्य क्या
कभी ऐसा कौन हुआ नहीं है। सो आई थिंक जब मैं ये फिल्म कर रही थी, जो मैं सायरा कर रही थी, तो वाइल डूइंग इट आई रियलाइज कि कभी किसी के साथ ऐसा होता ही होगा जैसे इस फिल्म में सायरा के साथ हुआ है। सो आई थिंक इट चेंजेस योर लाइफ ऑल टुगेदर। और इस फिल्म में जो ये लड़की है सायरा, शी रियलाइजेस कि उसके अंदर कितनी स्ट्रेंथ है। वो बड़ी सिंपल सी कॉय सी घरेलू सी लड़की है, बट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जब इसके साथ ऐसा होता है, इसके इन लॉज के साथ और सबके साथ ऐसा होता है, कोई कौन करके चला जाता है, शी गेट्स अ स्ट्रेंथ एंड शी फाइट्स बैक। सो आई थिंक मुझे ये समझ में आया, आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो फाइट बैक समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस।
परिणीति, एक सवाल और आपसे करना चाहूँगी। फिल्म के बाद जाहिर सी बात है प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ आपकी कहीं ना कहीं, आप बहन हैं उनकी, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक होगी समान कंपैरिजन होगी जी, तो क्या मतलब उसके लिए तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल, मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि सब बोले कि जितनी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस प्रियंका है उतनी अच्छी परिणीति है। मैं तो चाहती हूँ, आई होप ऐसा कोई ना कहे कि इसको तो एक्टिंग आती नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरी तो नाक कट जाएगी। तो आई होप कि कंपैरिजन हो। आई एम फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड, एक्चुअली आई एम होपिंग फॉर इट। आई होप पीपल से गुड थिंग्स अबाउट मी बिकॉज आई थिंक शी इज अ रियली गुड एक्टर, ना?
यू आल्सो गुड एक्टर।
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you so much and all the best to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is for Dipamita. Hi. Dipamita, you've done films in the past. They weren't exactly commercial films. You know, they were a bit offbeat. So, you know, did you have to wait like really long? Were you like looking forward to one commercial film that would take you like up there?
Okay, I think with me, I don't really wait for things, but when the opportunity comes, I just seize that opportunity. That's it. I've always done films off and on, and I've mostly always been a model, and I've enjoyed that. And I got a call for an audition. It was as simple as that. And from the day I was called for an audition, and there was no way I was going to let go of this opportunity to be able to be a part of a Yash Raj production film, which was directed by Manish Sharma, whose first film I absolutely loved, and to work with all these wonderful people. So I went for the audition, and from day one, from the audition till the time I was selected for the role, and then doing the whole film, it has been a challenge all the way, and I don't regret it one bit. It has been a wonderful experience.